Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to be installing Google Analytics 4 in your Google Tag Manager. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you can see, we are in the Create an Account screen for Google for Google Analytics, I should say. So the way this works is very simple. If you were to follow this link, you can click this link in the description if you need to get here. But if you just go in Google and you said how to create a Google Analytics 4 account, you would most likely reach this link. So all that we're going to do is we're going to say test company for our account name. We're going to not select anything here, it doesn't matter. Click next, property details, test company website. We would change the time zone to whatever time zone we're in. Click next. This actually does not matter. You can select anything here, but if you wanted to report accurately to Google, then you could, but for me, it doesn't really matter, so I'll just select anything, say next. This, again, does not matter. It does not affect what is actually personalized inside of your Google Analytics account, even though it says it does. It doesn't do anything. And at this point, all you have to do is select your platform. So this is going to be for choosing a website. We are not doing Android apps or iOS apps in this video. So sorry if you have an iOS app. But we are going to be creating this for our website just because why not? And we have to get rid of this HTML or HTTPS. And we'll just say test company website. Now it create stream, and it's going to give us like two pop-ups that come up here. So we're going to X out of this installation instructions because we are going to be using the Google Tag Manager that we set up in the previous video. If you don't know, if you don't already have a Google Tag Manager installed, be sure to check the latest video in this series where we installed the Google Tag Manager. And in this video, we're just going to be using our Google Tag Manager because I'm going to be showing you how to install this kind of app or this kind of software, I should say. So all you have to do is click into tags, click new. You would say GA4. This is Google Analytics 4. And then we would select Google Analytics, Google Tag. And then we would grab this measurement ID, hit copy, come back in here, place it in the tag ID, and then triggering. We want this to trigger on all pages because we want to track all pages. We'd click save. And then all that would be required for us to do is to click submit. Now, keep in mind, I'm not going to click submit on here because this is my actual company's Google Tag Manager. As you can see, we have a lot of other tags in here. So I'm going to pause this after the video, but just wanted to let you know that all you would have to do is click submit. And then when you come back in here, all you would need to do is click next. And it would say your data collection is pending. And within 48 hours, you should have your data in your Google Analytics account. And obviously, since we didn't publish the tag, we're not going to see data in here, but you get the picture. That is how you would set up Google Analytics 4 in 2024 on your Google Tag Manager that is installed on your website. Please let me know if you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and watch the next video in this series. Thanks.